In this video, I will show you how to get a private server link on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up Roblox and log into your account. Then what you need to do is find the experience that you have the private server for. So let's go ahead and choose Grow a Garden. I've already got a private server I've created on this game. Once you're on the experience page, all you need to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see the servers option. Give that a click. It's going to take you across to your private servers. So you can see mine's currently here. What you need to do now is come to the right hand side and click onto these three dots next to your server and then click onto configure. Then scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see an option for a private server link. At this point, all you need to do is click the generate button. What that's going to do is generate a private server link, which you can copy and paste and share with your friends or whoever you want to join your private server. To copy this, all you need to do is simply click the button next to the link here, and that's going to go ahead and copy the server link. And you can also click the regenerate button to regenerate a new link if you want to disable the old private server join link. So that is how to get private server link on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.